Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween costumes, and I'm excited to introduce you to what might just be the best candy corn costume for adults on the market, the Funnysoft Halloween Candy Corn Costume Set. This delightful set features a vibrant candy corn poncho paired with a charming white hat. Perfect for showcasing your festive spirit at any Halloween party or themed event. The bright orange and yellow colors of the poncho are not only eye-catching but also capture the essence of everyone's favorite fall treat. Now, let's talk about comfort. The poncho measures about 31.5 inches long, providing ample coverage while still allowing you to move freely. It's made from high-quality polyester, which means it's both durable and lightweight, ideal for those long nights of trick-or-treating or dancing at parties. The white hat, measuring approximately 8.66 inches tall, comfortably fits most adults with head circumferences ranging from 19.69 to 23.62 inches. One of the standout features of this costume is its versatility. Whether you're attending a dress-up party, participating in a fun food-themed event, or even taking part in a night parade, this candy corn poncho and hat set is a fantastic choice. The lightweight design ensures you can wear it comfortably for extended periods, and when the fun is over, it's easily foldable for simple storage. Imagine yourself at a Halloween bash, looking adorable and festive while everyone around you enjoys the playful vibe you bring. This costume isn't just for Halloween. It's perfect for cosplay events, roleplay, or even a quirky photo shoot that captures the fun of the season. In a world where costumes can often feel generic or overly complicated, the Funnysoft candy corn costume stands out for its simplicity and charm. It's easy to wear, easy to style, and sure to spark joy and laughter wherever you go. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Who wouldn't want to chat about candy corn? Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the quality of materials used in this costume. The poncho is crafted from soft polyester, while the hat features a non-woven lining, ensuring a cozy feel against your skin. You can dance, move, and enjoy your evening without feeling restricted or uncomfortable. So if you're in search of a fun, unique, and comfortable Halloween costume, look no further than the Funnysoft Halloween Candy Corn Costume Set. It's not just a costume, it's an experience waiting to happen. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product insights. Happy Halloween, and may your celebrations be filled with fun and plenty of candy corn.